Hello, football fans. Welcome to the Football Plug, where football isn't just a game, it's a way of life. आज हम फोकस कर रहे हैं एक ऐसे क्लब पर जो सिर्फ एक टीम नहीं, एक इमोशन है. माय होम टाउन क्लब नॉर्थ ईस्ट यूनाइटेड एफसी यानी कि द हाईलैंडर्स. ये टीम रिप्रेजेंट करती है 8 अमेजिंग नॉर्थ ईस्ट यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स ऑफ इंडिया, असम, मणिपुर, मेघालय, मिजोरम, अरुणाचल प्रदेश, नागालैंड, त्रिपुरा और सिक्किम. एक रीजन जहां फुटबॉल का जुनून दिल से चलता है. आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे नॉर्थ ईस्ट यूनाइटेड एफसी की मैनेजमेंट, हाउस एवरीथिंग गोइंग, नए साइनिंग्स, डिपार्चर्स एंड माय एक्सपेक्टेशंस फॉर द 2025-26 सीजन्स फ्रॉम द नॉर्थ ईस्ट यूनाइटेड एफसी. इन सब क्वेश्चंस के आंसर्स मिलेंगे इसी वीडियो में. सो ग्रैब योर चाय, हिट दैट लाइक बटन एंड चलिए प्लग इन करते हैं टू द हाईलैंडर्स जर्नी. दिस इज द फुटबॉल प्लग. First of all, we will be discussing about North East United FC tremendous journey about the last Durand Cup and the ISL. और हम सबको पता है लास्ट टाइम डूरान कप फाइनल में क्या हुआ था कोलकाता में अगेंस्ट मोहन बगान एफसी. हजारे का 1 goal 1 assist and the goalkeeper Gurmeet's brilliant 2 penalty save in the penalty shootout. First of all, I would like to give credit to the John Ibrahim जिसने अपना पूरा जान लगा दिया इस टीम को एक टॉप प्रोफेशनल टीम बनाने में, जो कि अभी काफ़ी अपने गोल्डन एरा में है. The next will be the main man Mandar, who is doing brilliant work in the clubs with the great signings and the contract extensions in the recent times. And now, if we talk about the man, the myth, the legend, the Don Juan Pedro Benali, he's already been the most successful coach ever for the North East United FC, winning the first ever trophy, the Durand Cup. We always used to be a low mid-table team, but this guy has made us believe that everything is possible if we never give up. So now let's talk about the new signings. North East United FC has made quite few signings, brilliant signings. So first of all, we'll talk about the new signing, Chema Nunez. He's a great player from Spain. He's been playing at Almeria, Betis, Real Union. He's an number 10 midfielder, attacking midfielder. He can also play in the right wing. He can really control the midfield. He can unlock the defense and can also score from the long range shots. He can take free kicks, he can take corners. He's overall a very versatile player. Then the next is the Andy Rodriguez. He's also from Spain. Surprisingly, he's a Real Madrid product. He's from the Castilla. Talking about the position, Andy play in the CDM position, midfielder. He can also help us in defense. He's tall, strong. He has played in a top club like Levante in La Liga. And the next one we have Jairo Sampaio, who is for me is a marquee signing. He's played in Germany, in Spain, in top divisions clubs like Sevilla, Malaga, Las Palmas, Hamburg, Mainz in Germany. He is creative, he is versatile, he can shoot, he can take corners, he can take free kicks. I have watched her play quite a few times. He'll be a Toni Kroos for North East United FC. Then Indian signings के बारे में बात करें तो next is my favorite, 2 times Indian top scorer for I-League, Lalinzuala Lalbiagna. He's already been a top promising striker at a very young age. He's a great asset for North East United FC and also Indian football in the coming seasons. And I'll tell you that don't get fooled by his physique and height. He can run like a tank and also can score brilliant headers. I think this is one of the best signings for North East United FC this season. The duo between Lalinzuala and Aladin Azare will be a deadly up in the front for North East United FC. The next Indian player is Lalbiak Dika. He's also come from Aizawl FC, same as Lalinzuala. Both plays as a center forward. आखिर नॉर्थ ईस्ट यूनाइटेड में अभी सेंटर फॉरवर्ड भरे पड़े यार अटैकिंग में. हजारे, लालिंजुआला, लालबियाक डीका. आई मीन अगर इतने अच्छे प्लेयर्स है टीम में तो कंपटीशन बढ़ेगा, तो द प्लेयर्स विल गिव देयर बेस्ट फॉर द टीम. इट्स ऑल फॉर द न्यू साइनिंग. एंड नाउ टॉकिंग अबाउट द रिन्यूअल्स First of all, we have the Kapitan, Mikhail Zabako. 3 seasons of leadership under him, brilliant defender. I think he's the best defender in the history of Northeast United FC. He's a true leadership on and off the pitch. He's reliable, he's strong. I think he's the best. Now the second renewal is our Golden Ball winner, Golden Boot, Golden Boy, the Moroccan magician, Aladdin Azare. I mean, he's the best. He's the best player in the history of Indian Super League. He's broken all the records. 23 goals, 7 assists in 25 matches in the Indian Super League of the season 2024-25 is brilliant. It's outstanding. I mean, अगर आप नॉर्थ ईस्ट यूनाइटेड के फैन भी नहीं हो, कोई सा भी टीम का फैन हो, फिर भी आप इनके फैन बनोगे. I mean, he is out of this world. कुछ दिन पहले काफ़ी ज़्यादा रूमर्स चल रहा था कि हज़ारे मोहन बगान में जा रहा है, मुंबई सिटी में जा रहा है, बेंगलोर में जा रहा है, लेकिन ही इज़ वेरी पैशनेट एंड ही नोज the club. He loved the club. He loved North East. He loved Highlanders, and he's truly one of us. And the next one we have the Jitin Dino. People call him Jitin Dino as he is also a fan of Ronaldinho. He plays like him. Jitin is one of the most versatile player in the Indian football right now. He can play left side, right side, and sometimes play in the midfield too. And I'm sure there's more of Jitin in the coming season for sure. I think Jitin is one of those players जिनका अगर दिन चल गया तो he is one of the best players in Indian football. अगर उसका नहीं चला फिर he is one of the worst. But his hard work, his dedication and hunger to grow every single day is delightful to watch. The next one we have McCarton. He's young, he's versatile. He plays in the midfield. He's been one of the key players for Juan Pedro Benali in the last season. The next one we have Mayakanan. He's one of the best tactical players in India. He does the hard work that often goes unnoticed, like Juan Pedro Benali said. Mayakanan has been a vital part of midfield. He's committed, consistent and selfless. He does the hard yards without fuss and plays a crucial role in balancing the team. For me, he's one of the favorite players in the Northeast United FC squad right now. Now the next one is a big one. He's not a player but a great coach, the assistant coach for Northeast United FC, Naushad Musa. He's been with the club since last 3 seasons. And मैं नौशाद को काफ़ी ज़्यादा फॉलो कर रहा था. He's been traveling all over North East, scouting young players, young talents, which is absolutely brilliant. And he's also a coach for the Indian youth team. So it's a truly blessing for Northeast United FC to have him in the team. So next I would like to talk about Northeast United FC recent developments in most of the states of Northeast. First one we have is Northeast United FC coach and the CEO Mandar meeting the Tripura CM Manik Shah. And the next one is one of the most random collab, Ed Sheeran and John Abraham and CEO Mandar. When ये जब हुआ था, जब ये एड शीरन शिलोंग में अपना कॉन्सर्ट परफॉर्म करने आया था तो जॉन अब्राहम के साथ मिला. जॉन ने उनको अपना नॉर्थ यूनाइटेड का जर्सी गिफ्ट दिया और एड शीरन ने अपना इप्सविच टाउन का जर्सी जॉन को गिफ्ट दिया. ये काफ़ी ज़्यादा वायरल भी हुआ था ये पिक्चर्स. एंड ये पिक्चर्स प्रूव करता है कि नॉर्थ ईस्ट यूनाइटेड एफसी एक ग्लोबल ब्रांड बन चुका है अब. एंड द नेक्स्ट वन वी हैव नॉर्थ ईस्ट यूनाइटेड एफसी मैनेजमेंट मीटिंग द अरुणाचल प्रदेश सीएम. दे आर प्लानिंग टू बिल्ड नॉर्थ ईस्ट यूनाइटेड एफसी एकेडमी इन अरुणाचल प्रदेश. होपफुली वी गेट टू सी इट वेरी सून. And the next one we have John and Mandar meeting the coolest CM in India right now, Mr. Conrad Sangma, Meghalaya CM. They too planning to build a Northeast United FC academy in Shillong, and it will be the first academy for Northeast United FC, residential academy in India. The next one we have the biggest announcement from the Northeast United FC in the recent times. A collab with Reebok is incredible. Like they said, a new move, a new era, a new force. I mean, we really can't wait for the jersey launch very soon. Reebok, collaborating with Reebok is brilliant. Like if you used to watch football back in the days, many iconic jersey used to sponsored by Reebok, so it will be a classic. और अगर आपको याद होगा, नॉर्थ यूनाइटेड का फर्स्ट जर्सी भी एडिडास ने स्पॉन्सर किया था और उनका मेन स्पॉन्सर था HTC, जो कि काफ़ी क्लासिक जर्सी है. सो गाइस, अब नॉर्थ ईस्ट यूनाइटेड एफसी के डिपार्चर्स के बारे में बात करें तो फर्स्ट, नेस्टर अल्बियच. After playing 3 seasons at Northeast United, he finally left after his contract expires. He scored, he assisted, and whatnot. Won the Durand Cup. I think he's had successful seasons at Northeast United. और next के बारे में बात करें तो Ali Bemamar, a tank for Northeast for the past 2 seasons. Brilliant midfielder. उन्होंने काफ़ी ज़्यादा हेल्प किया है नॉर्थ यूनाइटेड एफसी को मिडफील्ड में. And I think Northeast will really miss a class player like him. And the third one will be Hamza Regragui. I think he's also a good player, but unfortunately he's had quite a few injuries, so that's why he couldn't find his place in the starting 11. And also a special mention to our Falguni Singh. He has also had quite a brilliant seasons in the past recent times. We still didn't forget his brilliant performance in the Durand Cup success. The main thing about Falguni was he was always ready to help the team whenever the coach Ben Ali needed him in a crucial moments during the game. So that's all for the departures in the Northeast United this season. Now let's talk about the Northeast United FC's journey and fixtures for the Durand Cup 2025. नॉर्थ का ग्रुप है ग्रुप ई, और ग्रुप में है 4 टीम: नॉर्थ ईस्ट यूनाइटेड एफसी, फॉरेन आर्म फोर्सेस एफटी, शिलोंग लाजोंग एफसी एंड रंगदाजाइट एफसी. इनमें से 2 टीम तो ऑलरेडी शिलोंग का है, शिलोंग लाजोंग एंड रंगदाजाइट एफसी. और नॉर्थ ईस्ट यूनाइटेड के सारे मैचेस भी जवाहरलाल नेहरू स्टेडियम शिलोंग में ही होगा. यूजुअली सच बात कहूँ तो आई हेट वाचिंग नॉर्थ ईस्ट प्ले इन शिलोंग बिकॉज काफ़ी ज़्यादा बैड लक रहा है हमारा नॉर्थ ईस्ट शिलोंग में. होपफुली इस बार रॉन्ग प्रूफ करे, but it will be quite challenging for Northeast as both the teams from Shillong Najong and Rangdazat will be Shillong people will be supporting their team. So I wish all the best to Northeast and their team and management for their upcoming Durand Cup journey in Shillong and Kolkata. Hopefully they win it again and defend their cup. तो दोस्तों, ये था हमारा डीप डाइव इनटू नॉर्थ ईस्ट यूनाइटेड एफसी. अगर वीडियो पसंद आया तो लाइक करो, शेयर करो और सब्सक्राइब करो द फुटबॉल प्लग को. यहाँ मिलेगा आपको इंडियन और फुटबॉल वर्ल्ड का हर अपडेट प्लग इन ऑलवेज. मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में. टिल देन स्टे पैशनेट, स्टे प्लग इन. दिस इज द फुटबॉल प्लग साइनिंग ऑफ. पीस.